ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within here. This is what we get because at that time we were looking for this targets as a 1.34 following by 1.4. And after the price tag this one, when it was within this correction, we mentioned we're looking for the next trade. And we mentioned if we get any reversal, we do the breakout of this zone, we can look for buy. And with the breakout of 1.34, we have been looking for 1.4 following by 1.5 as a short-term target. And even we can see the price broke 1.5 and it moved higher. Anyway, we want to see what's the next. And in this case, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. Even based on daily chart, we have been looking for buy as a reversal because even we may discuss about the divergence and exactly this is what we get. Okay. And at this point, the breakout of the 1.65 following by 1.8 is quite important for us because if the price couldn't break the previous top, can we expect this one turn to flat as a big deeper correction for the next drop? We need to be quite careful about this. All right. And even we can look for the divergence for this one in relative to this, which at this point, we don't need to really care about that. If we get the deeper correction in the price consolidate from here, that's mean we get the daily correction. It can give us a confirmation for continuation. That's why from now, we need to be quite careful about the next drop. Okay. We are not really interested to look for sell. We're looking for buy. But as long as the price haven't break this correction, we need to be quite careful. We have nothing else to discuss based on daily chart. And if we move to forward chart, we don't have anything to discuss as well. Okay, right now we have to wait for those traders. They get the trade for buy within this one. They need to book some profit. And we want to see whether we can get the correction, at least in relative to this, for the long running flat for continuation or not. Okay, we don't have any trade setup even based on forward chart. And if we move to lower time frame based on 1 hour chart, we don't need these lines anymore. We just remove it. And based on lower time frame, we had a divergence. That's why we could expect for the correction. Right now, I'm considering this one as a correction. Okay. Whether we want to look for buy or sell, I mentioned we're looking for buy. If this one reverses a deeper correction, this is where we can expect for the next drop. But at this point, we have to wait. And even if we want to look for buy, we have to look for the reversal flag. This is the only option we can look for next trade. But this is what we can expect. That's mean at this point, we have to wait. The only thing is for those traders, they get the trade for buy within this one, they need to book some profit. And we just follow the chart. If you get any opportunity for buy or sell, I will share, but mostly we're looking for continuation. That's why we have to wait. We will see what we get here. And if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.